Attitude is everything. So that is an iceberg. As you can see it, kali ngati kaphiri mu mtsinje, in a sea, a solid rock, an ice. Then as you can see, that is the sea, the level of the sea. So just look at what is below the sea and what is up. Tati tipange my approximation pamene popo, that means we have 10% outside and then the 90% is inside. That's how our attitude can be illustrated. Our attitude ndimene below the sea, 90%. And then you are able to show an attitude in the 10%, like in our behavior. Meaning kuti nthawi zambiri our attitude is hidden and amangona our behavior, but our behavior shows what has been hidden inside. Remember I said an attitude is an inner feeling expressed through our behavior. The 90%, that's what is our attitude. We are going to look at it in maybe in another illustration to understand that attitude is everything. It's not about skills. It's not about the knowledge. Munangati pano pa MPTS anthu fe tribe nzeru, tribe ma skills, tribe knowledge. Koma chifukwa chani African Society for Battery Fusions accreditation was still pa step 1, no step 2. Zomwe zija timalephera zija abweraso tizalepheraso zomwe zijaso. Not that kuti we don't know what to do. We know what to do. SOP kutuza kunomno tisipanga chonchi. Koma know what are we doing? We are doing what we like doing. So we cannot pass by doing what we like, but we must do what we are supposed to do. So an iceberg is a massive block of frozen ice in the sea that can be visualized as a solid mass protruding above the surface of the sea. Typically, only 10% of an iceberg is visible above the sea surface. The remainder 90% is invisible below the sea surface. So, visible 10% is the knowledge and skills we have, representing the 10% of what is known to others. Invisible 90% is attitude, representing the 90% of what is largely unknown to others. Zomwe anthu akuziwa za ife ndi 10%, zomwe sakuziwa zili nkati mwathu 90%. Results: invisible 90% attitude impacts on the visible 10%, which is our behavior. As you can see in that, behavior, knowledge and skills is above the sea level. That's 10%. So it's not what we know, but how we share what we know. How we share what we have. Ena tu amapereka. Koma akapereka mkamvaso kusika unoti namva kuti chitejo chana kupasa ni tundaje. That's an attitude. Ndinamva ine kunena kuti sabato iyi mwavala itundi ya ndamene aja chemwe ali anaja. So yes, you are a giver. You know, mwakuphunzira ndithu kuti we have to be giving. Komano, how are you giving? Ena ngati salembedwa news kuti apereka ndi kuti sapereka. Amafuta kodi news ndikaoneka, kodi abwera media. Ngasana abwere, they will not give. So that's how you know, okay, award amape komano ajasana abwere and they say kuti sapereka. Oh, ndi kuti zimene zinkati mwawo, the real motive is this one. Aungofuna dadani achuke. So attitude is everything. Knowledge and skills are not enough. It is your positive attitude which makes the difference.